Trying to strap gear down in a truck bed can feel way harder than it should be. If you've had that moment of looking at your bungee cords or anchors and thinking there must be something better, this video on the best truck bed tie-down systems is made for you. I'm going through a range of options that sit at different price levels, and each pick fits a different kind of job. Some make sense for light loads, some for heavier hauls, and some keep things quick and simple. Watching the full video helps you figure out which setup lines up the closest with what you need. All the product links are in the description. If this helps you out, liking the video, hitting subscribe, and tapping the notification bell really helps the channel. And if you have any questions, the comment section is there for you. Let's get into the reviews. Number 5. Bullring Classic Truck Bed Tie-Down Anchors. Sliding into the 5th spot, this set takes a pretty simple idea and makes it feel easy to work with. What stands out right away is how the rings sit flat when you're not using them, and then snap upright when you need a tie point. It keeps the bed looking clean instead of cluttered, which is nice if you want things to stay low profile. The build uses stainless steel for the ring and a plastic base, and for a budget pick, the strength rating is surprisingly high at about 1,000 pounds for each anchor. It works with common tie-down gear like straps, S-hooks, and bungee cords, so it fits the usual hauling needs without making you rethink your setup. There are a few different pack sizes out there too, so you can match the amount you need instead of buying extras. The install sits on the easy end. You drop them into the stake pockets, center them, and hand tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. No drilling, no special gear. It usually takes less than half an hour. The only thing to be careful with is the plastic base, since cranking it too hard can cause cracks. Some trucks, especially certain front pockets, might need a little rail cap trimming, and the ring might stick over time if dirt builds up, so a quick clean once in a while helps. For trucks that fit the listed model years, the look blends well, the strength is there, and the price keeps it friendly for someone wanting something simple without going big on cost. Number 4. Starley Parts 8 Feet E-Track Rail Tie-Down Kit. Next up at number 4, this setup takes a very different approach from the smaller anchor points we looked at earlier. Instead of giving you a few tie spots, it stretches a full 8 feet and packs in a long row of slots, which gives you a ton of freedom for where you clip your straps. Each rail has 48 openings, so finding the right angle for your load becomes a lot easier, especially if you haul things that sit at odd shapes or heights. The build uses alloy steel with a black powder coat, putting it in the lower mid-range price area, but with a strength rating that feels much higher. Each rail supports a working load around 2,000 pounds, with a braking strength triple that, which lines up well for heavier gear like motorcycles, ATVs, or big storage containers. There are different lengths available too, such as 2-foot and 4-foot options, along with larger packs. Mounting is pretty simple. These rails go on truck beds, trailers, vans, or even garage walls. You just line them up, bolt them down, and work across the rail. One thing to keep in mind is the weight, since each rail is fairly heavy. And every now and then, the coating can get a little scuffed during shipping, though that doesn't affect the way it works. If you move heavy cargo or want the most anchor points in one setup, this one brings a lot of flexibility and strength for the price. Number 3. Rhino USA E-Track Kit. Sliding into the 3rd spot, this kit feels like a step up from the longer rail setup we just talked about. Instead of only giving you rails, this one brings a whole bundle of gear that works together, which makes it easier if you want a full system without buying everything piece by piece. You get 4 rails that measure 5 feet each, a pair of ratchet straps, a handful of O-rings, and rope tie-offs. So right out of the box, you have a mix of anchor options for different types of loads. Each rail has a weight limit around 2,000 pounds, and the extra hardware varies in strength, with the ratchet straps and O-rings reaching up to around 4,500 pounds. That puts this kit in the mid-range price area, but still strong enough for things like ATVs, dirt bikes, or lawn gear. It's meant for truck beds, trailers, vans, and really any flat wood or metal surface. The install stays pretty simple, though you do need your own bolts or screws since the kit doesn't include them. Once you have the hardware, the rails bolt down in a few minutes. Some people might wish the mounting hardware came with it, but that's really the main complaint. With the amount of pieces you get, the lifetime warranty, and the balanced mix of anchor styles, this setup works well for someone who wants a full tie-down system without hunting for matching parts. Number 2. Tracassi 8 Feet E-Track Tie-Down Rail Kit. Moving into the second spot, this kit stands out for offering long rails with plenty of room for anchor points, along with a full set of accessories to match. You get 4 8-foot tracks, 8 O-rings, and 8 rope tie-offs, so it feels ready for a wide mix of hauling setups without needing extra pieces right away. Each track has a working load around 2,000 pounds and a braking strength of about 4,500, which puts this kit in the mid-range price level with strength that works for things like ATVs, motorcycles, or tractor parts. The anchors have their own rating, and they're fine for lighter gear, though some folks might want stronger ones for heavier loads. The nice thing here is that everything uses the same horizontal slot system, so switching from one attachment to another only takes a click. The rails use galvanized steel with a powder-coated finish, and you can pick them in black or silver. There are shorter lengths too, like 2-foot and 4-foot tracks, and even a 10-foot option if you want longer runs. Another bonus is that the rails can be trimmed if you need a custom fit inside a trailer or truck bed. Installation stays simple as long as you have screws or rivets, since they're not included. Once mounted, the tracks give you a long stretch of anchor points, making it easier to place tie-downs exactly where you need them. Number 1. DC Cargo Mall E-Track Tie-Down Rail Kit 8 Feet. Taking the top spot, this kit focuses on strength, long rail coverage, and a clean, easy setup. Each rail stretches 8 feet and has a wide layout with 48 slots spaced every 2 inches, giving you a long row of anchor points to work with. That makes it easy to line up straps for bigger loads like tractors, motorcycles, or heavy equipment without feeling boxed in by tight spacing. The rails fall into the mid-range price level and carry a working load around 2,000 pounds each, with a tensile strength near 6,000. They're built from steel with a powder-coated finish, and there are different lengths and pack sizes if you need a bigger setup or just a couple of shorter pieces. Customers mention that some rails arrive with different origins, which can mean slightly different metal thickness, but the general performance stays strong enough for heavy hauling. These tracks can go on walls or floors, and they're tough enough to handle vehicles rolling over them without bending. They're weather-ready for both indoor and outdoor use, and they fit universal attachments like O-rings, J-hooks, and strap fittings. The one thing missing is the mounting hardware, so you'll need screws before you start. Once you line everything up, installation is simple. Place the rails, run your screws through, and you're ready to load. For anyone wanting a dependable mix of strength, long rails, and lots of slot spacing, this setup earns the number 1 spot. That brings us to the end of the video. There are plenty of ways to keep your cargo secure, and the right setup really depends on what you haul and how often you do it. If you're interested in anything covered here, the links are in the description. And if this video helped you out, tapping like, hitting subscribe, ringing the notification bell, and leaving a comment really supports the channel. Feel free to check out our other videos too. Thanks for being here, and I hope to catch you in another one soon.